Hey everybody, JD here with another Fireside Trader 2 Sigma Income Cash Machine trade. Before I dive into today's trade, let me just assume for a moment here that you all love cash machine trades. You like putting cash into your pockets, you like option trades, you like exploiting option premiums. Well, that's what we do here at the Fireside Trader, and we do it in spades, and we do it for you on your behalf. So please, please, please hit the like button. Please, please, please subscribe to our channel. We're just getting started here, and boy, are we on a roll. We have been giving away multiple trades. You can look back for yourself at our success. Our track record is well above 90% on these trades. So we know what we're doing here, folks. And if you would like to continue to see this kind of awesome content, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the page, and give us a follow. I guess it's as simple as that. So with that, today's 2 Sigma Income Cash Machine trade is all about Airbnb. Lots of things going on here with this travel company. Loving this space. The service sector of the U.S. economy is en fuego, folks. Earnings for Airbnb are going to be released today after the market closes, and I think the numbers are going to be fantastic. What's going on with the stock? Who knows? The market's cratering. The sell first, ask questions crowd has really gotten a little bit out of control here in advance of tomorrow's CPI report. Don't really care about that here for these 2 Sigma Income Cash Machine trades. We're really just focused on reversion to the mean. And look at this chart. You can see Airbnb trading right at 2 standard deviations below the mean in advance of its earnings report, right just below $116 a share. So what are we going to do to take advantage of a reversion to the mean after the earnings report is released? Well, we are going to do a put credit spread on the Friday the 13th expiration options. We can sell which means putting a credit into our pocket, the 105 strike, which is way below. And before I continue with the trade, by the way, let's go back for a second. Do you see on this chart this big bulge here? This is a month-long chart for Airbnb, and up until early February when the stock started cratering, that's when you see this divergence between 2 standard deviations below the mean and 2 standard deviations above the mean. Whenever you see that, that spells opportunity for a reversion to the mean trade. I think that's a key factor that anybody can use, no matter what it is that you're trading, what style you're trading. This is a good chart to keep an eye on, because whenever you see that bulge, you should say, I see opportunity. And I see opportunity with Airbnb. So back to the trade we're going to place before the market closes today, before earnings are released. We are going to sell the 105 strike. We can buy back the 102, and we can collect right around 50 cents a contract based on pricing about an hour ago when I looked at pricing. Now, keep in mind, prices are going to change and fluctuate. So when you place the trade, your pricing may be a little bit different than what I saw. But be that as it may, I think there's a really nice credit opportunity on Airbnb in advance of its earnings report. Now, final, remember again, if you like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up, please. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel, because we've got lots of it coming, and we are on an incredible roll here with 2 Sigma Income Cash Machine. Like I said, you can go back and look for yourself, but batting darn near close to 100% on these trades. So that's all I have for today. Folks, this is JD for the Fireside Trader. Thanks a lot for joining me today. Good luck with all of your trading. As always, I'll be back on Monday with more opportunities as I see them. Take care, everybody. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.